June 19th, 7:45 a.m. We have microwave frequencies and jet aircraft dispersions happening right over Eugene, Oregon. As you can see, that dispersion was dispersed right there in that patch of chem haze. They do this all too often. They're blocking some of the sun's incoming thermal radiation. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm tired of them playing God with the weather. I mean, there's nothing natural about this whatsoever. Everything you're seeing right now in this sky is made from that jet aircraft dispersion material right there. And it is freaking nasty. And look at the microwave frequencies in that. That is disgusting. Okay, you guys are witnessing it, and there's the chem haze down the valley. Imagine that. That's my update for today. Thanks for watching.